Hello friends, I know you quite well. Subscribe my Telegram channel Sheri official, and here is Grandin's effect action, and this file for Photoshop CC plus and CC plus. Okay, and double click or drag there. Yeah, go to window or press Alt F9. No, you see here is action, click and play. So first we need an image, for example like this. Okay, play. Wow, see in layer area extract, and you see it changing, and you can more edit it. Here is red color and here is light. More 3 option. Okay, wow, I think a paint filter or out focus. My last is background. Open any other photo and like this, play. Wow, and last photo is now a high definition photo, like this. Play. Oh, you can change color. Okay, and here is red color. Wow, amazing. So you can edit one by one. And last, open a low resolution like this. Okay. Oh, so you can change it. I hope this action is useful for you. Subscribe me and share with your friends. Take care. Love.